Welcome, people.
Welcome back to the Daily Part family, guys.
Alright. Welcome. Now, if y'all been following our videos, you will see that we're in Portland. So we're in Portland for Adrian's birthday, but we couldn't help passing this community and noticing, even from last night, noticing that hey, that community is very interesting. We kind of liked what we saw.
Yes.
So it is Brooks, Booby.
Yeah.
Booby North Point Estate.
Yes, in Portland. So it's between Long Bay and Boston. Right?
Boston
very
Bay,
close
yes.
to Boston and very close to Long Bay on either side. This is actually, it's gated, right? With lots for sale.
So it's not houses that they're selling, they're actually selling lots, and it's quarter-acre lots. Okay, so there is waterfront.
Yes.
And from what we have observed about this area, there's a lot of cliffs and so forth, so which is very pretty.
Yeah.
So let's see what's up. I like the landscaping though.
Yeah.
I must
say. Show them.
I like the landscaping, but you know, Portland has some really good greenery.
Yeah.
So the environment is made ideally.
Yeah.
My phone, baby. My phone can monitor the view. Even if it take up my phone, I in my pocket.
Phone good, babe.
Oh, that means if I have the phone, we don't have to do that.
But you make it go up and run down quicker with the connection.
With the connection?
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the houses. This is the street. The straight street from the house, and these are some of the units that have been constructed. So we're told that the units that don't have the lots that don't have any building on it, that they are potentially up for sale. Yeah, they are potentially up for sale. So yeah,
They look nice. Like in here.
Yeah, a lot of lots are there's a lot lots are here. Yeah, houses are being constructed.
Nice, man. I like there's
a big water tank.
I like the topography of the land, you know. And you see, road already sorted out, water already sorted out.
Yeah.
Right? Lighting. You know. So
and there are lots of spaces available.
Yes. The infrastructure is all put in. You know.
Nice.
And then down to the waterfront, but they said the lots to the waterfront are all already sold. They're all sold already. The one them down close down here, so.
What's the price again, babe?
There's a 40,000 US, which is, call it 6 million Jamaican for a lot. You know. Them to the lot them down to the waterfront all sold. Yeah. But nonetheless.
Yeah. Do you think those stuff show up when you go away? Can go that way.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some more info as to the amenities.
Yeah.
And so on that's here. But I mean, this place is, it look ripe for activities.
Yeah.
And amenities, you know. Whole heap of waterfront things can set up in as the community association come together and show the dues and, you know, build stuff and whatnot.
That's true.
Yeah.
The community association make and break the community.
Yeah.
Like for real.
True. So I guess the residents, as I said, we'll find out more. Right, about the details.
Yeah, so just a little more view of the property again. So yeah, quarter acres, not that bad at all.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
From back to here, so on.
Yeah.
So on.
big at all. This is another road. Fire hydrant already up. Yeah. So we actually spoke with a lady named Kian, and she said that for if you see lots that are not with no buildings on it, that they are potentially for sale. So we just need to contact her. But I like it so far. I like it. I like it. So for all you persons who want to have free creativity to create whatever kind of house you want.
Like, yeah.
This is one of the environments that you can look to get something in, you know, that you can build from scratch.
Yeah.
A lot of persons like to do their own construction. They want to have that free will, that free that space to freedom to express their creativity, and these are the environments that you actually come and do that in. You know, if you see a community that is already made, them model out already, and that's not oftentimes not the best place to express that sort of creativity. So yeah, we like it. We like it, and it is gated.
Yes. So we are actually on foot, you know, in the development, looking around. As we say, guys, the infrastructure is already put in, water, all of that is already done. The streets, alright. So you just choose a lot, and they say you have 5 years to build.
Oh, and the property or the house that you're building must be valued at $12 million
or more. Yes.
So nothing of lesser value can come on the property.
Right.
And another guideline is that the fencing around your house should be
shrubbery, mainly shrubbery, right?
Yes, so no
concrete fences.
Yes, if you do have pets, they say that they allow for you to have like a chain link fence.
Yes, like a chain link fence, no higher than 4 feet.
Yeah. And you can, if you intend to put in like a gate design, then you're allowed to put in like 2 columns.
Yes, right. So if you have your gate that you want to put down, you have like make like 2 concrete columns to mount the gate basically. But outside of that, you're trying to keep the look and the feel of the place. Because if you guys notice, the houses that are here, none of them have no concrete fencing.
Yeah. People, right? If you don't understand, like from all the developments that we've done, that for the most part, these persons, they always have rules and regulations.
Some sort.
Exactly. They always want to keep the feel and the idea of the place. And I know persons love to be creative, and I say,
you spend your money, say, boy, you spend your money, say, who will stop me and rain.
But if you really understand what's going on,
in terms of real estate and maintaining the value, or you know, of the development, these rules are important.
Yeah.
You know.
Very important.
Yes. I like the vibe still, you know, like what we see, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so Booby North Point. Yeah. Hey guys, so I guess this wraps up the video. As we say guys, the lots are $40,000 US, which is like 6 million Jamaican. Alright, and you build what you want.
Yeah.
Alright. We will leave contact information in the description. You guys can refer to that. If you want to purchase, you know where to go in the description. A phone number will be there.
Remember to look in the description box for all the information that you might need. And yeah, Thank you for joining us, guys. Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Click the post notification. That's very important, so you know all of the immediately when we release a video.
Yes.
All right, and give us a thumbs up.
Yes. All right, guys. Thank you.
Remember
Peace
to watch
out.
all of our other videos, guys.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Booby North Point Estates.